Good morning, guys. In front of me is DOOGEE DK10, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first, open your phone dialer, then enter keypad, and here we can enter the codes. The first one is *pound*, #255, #*, and here we've got calendar info, so all upcoming events that you have would be displayed right here. You'll not forget about any of them. Super useful code. Another one that you can use here is *pound*, 426, #*. And here we've got FCM diagnostic modes, where you can check events and status. If you want to explore it a bit more, just mark more icon and select advanced view. So that's it. And last but not least is *pound*, 06. And here we've got the whole device info, so all necessary numbers like email or serial number are right in front of you after providing this code. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.